Hi, I'm Barbara Borck-Hart, and I'm back again to show you how to make another painting. I hope you join me on my first journey where we finished Sanctuary, which was a painting about a greenhouse, a great place to visit when there's snow and ice and temperatures that are below freezing. Anyway, it's still winter outside. The snow has melted mostly. Everything is sort of gray and brown and very dreary. So I figured I would paint another floral painting. This is the beginning session of another painting. It doesn't have a name yet. And this time I'm using a linen canvas. Linen will make it hold the paint a little differently, sometimes a little finer, sometimes a little rougher, depending on the type of linen that you choose. So I hope you'll stay for the journey. It's another journey, and I'm going to paint another floral because I'm hoping it will hurry spring along. I need spring. I need to be warm, and I need the sun. Join me on the journey. I'm going to start once again by showing the area of light. It's sunny and it's warm. And I'm going to indicate that with the color I'm adding. Now remember, these are just glazes of paint that are applied to give you a layered foundation. So you'll have one color on top of another, on top of another, on top of another, and they're fairly transparent colors, so you're going to see this glow emanating out, which is what I'm laying in now. I'm telling you where the glow is going to begin. Also, the glow is not the same all over the painting. It's going to be more intense from one area than another, and that should start to appear as I keep going along. I won't be talking as much because it's difficult to talk and paint at the same time. The other thing you're going to see is that I tend to use two hands, and I don't know when I'm going to go from one hand to the other. So just be observant and watch me and see how this starts to feel very vibrant and hot. And remember, this is the underpainting, so it's going to be very rough and loose which is sort of nice, because then you can go back and work it and make it darker, make it lighter, and move it around. Vibrant yellow over here. Here it's more of a tint, and it just gives you the intensity of the light behind it. That's what's going on. It shows up more on a linen canvas than, let's say, a white canvas, because there's a contrast with the canvas, with the linen itself. So you get this glow next to a darker color. And colors vibrate depending on what's next to them. So just keep that in mind as you watch me paint, because things are going to change. But this is just the beginning stages where I'm setting up the light and dark pattern. I'm not drawing anything in, I'm not painting anything in. I'm giving you the light and dark setup for the painting, which should either pull you in, push you out, whatever. But I'm going to give that to you, and you can see what's going to happen. Hi again. As you can see, I've been working. I put in the light area. It's sort of glowing. It's a lot richer in color. It might be even warmer. It might be probably nearer to sundown, where the sky sort of glows that orange-purple color and gets really rich and lush before darkness hits. That's sort of what's coming on in here. Basically, I had the lights going, or the light area designated. I put in a fence so I'd know where on earth I was going, and I wouldn't get totally gone here. You can see the contrast between the linen and the light. Now I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to go back and work and start putting in some darker colors to push it back in certain areas so that the contrast comes out and is even more exaggerated, so you can really feel that really nice, rich, glowing copper kind of color at night, right as the sun is descending. So that's what I want you to feel in here, and we'll keep going. All right? See you again.